Hello guys, welcome. Today we're gonna do another update for the price. It's Friday, 28th of October. So let's see what's going on with the prices. It started to be quite interesting a couple days ago, a week ago. Oh, here we go. I can already see a Bitcoin and Ethereum start to going down, but we're gonna get to this soon. Let's start with the gold first, see what's going on with the gold. Yes, so today price for the gold is £1,437.87, which mean it start to going down again. So it's basically a continue of going down for the last a couple days. We can see a little pickup from small rise from yesterday till today, but it's very early hours today. I record this in UK, so it's 6:30. So we will see what's gonna happen for the rest of the day, but it start to going up, which is quite usual for gold. When the Bitcoin going down, gold going up, and it's other around usual. So when you just seen Bitcoin went down already minus 2%, over 2.5%. I was expecting the gold going up then a little bit, which it did. So that's the price for today for the gold, £1,438. Let's check the price for the silver. So today's silver price is £16.90. I was just thinking, what should I really do is, and I think I will start to doing this soon. Is if we compare the prices twice a week, I might just put the small screenshot of the previous price, so you got the idea, guys, what was the silver price, let's say on Wednesday, because if I'm right, the last time we checked the price together was Wednesday, 26th of October. So it would be nice now if you would have a screenshot of the price, or I can just basically go down to 26, or it's today. Right, so we're having some issue again. Sorry, something's going on with our website. I want to back to the silver. Right, so today price £16.91 or around. Let's say on the 26th, go back 26, it was £17. So on Wednesday, when the last time we checked, was about £17. Okay, so basically it was it wasn't much higher, but it was higher than it is now. So it wasn't going down, start to going down, then start to going up. So basically it's up and down all the time. So the week change is just slightly on the plus, so it's 0.35% up on silver. Let's see what's going on in the last 3 months. 5.67% up in the 3 months. So it's basically very boring. Of course, the price and change is in ounce. The price is in pounds, but the weight is in ounce. So its current price against the weight in ounce. In the year time, it went down 3%. So basically, it's nothing interested yet. But let's see what the price would be if I would buy the silver coin or silver. Let's start with 2023 Britannia. So for the 1 ounce of 2023 Britannia today, Friday 28th, you would pay £32.40. I'm just waiting for that price. If you haven't seen my my movie about the gold. Well, I know this is the silver, but it's quite similar. If the gold gonna go up, silver obviously will go up as well. If you haven't seen my movie about the gold coins and just about the investing in gold, you can see it on my channel. I'm gonna try, if I remember, put it somewhere here up now for you guys. So or I might do it just on the beginning of the movie, so you can see my prediction for the gold, and basically you can find out much more about the gold. So if you haven't seen that yet, you can find this, and then you can start from there, because I think you should just, you should start to understand what you invest in before you invest. So the 1 ounce of the gold coin 2022 Britannia is facing now £1,578. The reason why 2022 coins are more expensive than 2023, because if you look at it, you will see the difference. Now they already start to selling 2023 Britannia coins, and the reason why I think they're doing that and why it's lower in price, because 2022 is the time when, the date when sadly our queen died. So I think that's why this is slightly more expensive. I know it's sad, but that's how that's how it's obviously works, like with the business. So yeah, it's going to be more expensive because this is the year when our queen passed away. So yeah, so you have that couple quid on different. Let's see the price then for Bitcoin. We see what's going on now. So Bitcoin price today is 17,000. I was going to say 17 pounds. I guess I would buy a lot for that price. Even if someone would tell me, oh, it's never gonna go up, it won't go up from now on, it's gonna stay as it is, 17 pounds. Well, I would just probably buy off everything. For everything what I have. So it's 17,536 pounds for Bitcoin. Market cap 336,000, 50 billion. What I'm just thinking is, yes, when I'm sorry for this, but I'm just thinking, yeah, because today it's Friday, as I said, but there's supposed to be I was just trying to figure out why the Bitcoin went down so much today. Obviously, it's sometimes going up and down, but if you see the last week, the price started picking up, and obviously it went down now, and I was just had this on my mind. I was thinking, what's going on? Well, it could be one of the reasons why I think today, on Friday, it should be a Fed, and the American Fed supposed to have some meeting, and to make some decision about the inflation and rates, because that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to put the rates up, to stop inflation, but in the same time, in other hand, they print more money. Okay, so in one hand they put the rates up to stop inflation, but in the other hand they make the inflation even bigger because they print the money. So in the end, it looks like instead of fighting with inflation, they fight with middle class people, or just with the people like. But that's something just on my mind today, guys. So I think that's why the Bitcoin prices started going down. Obviously, it's something might going on. I haven't went through the news yet, so I don't really know if anything it's they have announced anything, or what time they're supposed to do the meeting. I'm not going so deep, like because I'm not the expert, but I can just see if the price going down. Obviously, I'm buying, and that's what I'm doing. Let's see let's check the Ethereum, because I mean, yes, there is a lot of experts. I myself, I even watch them to see what they saying about the price for the Ethereum. But the point is, I think now at that point where we are, if we looking at that, it went down as Ethereum, for example, it's 64% down. Okay, and now if you are thinking it might go down more or it might go up, well, I think to buy Ethereum when it's lower, when it's 64% on the bottom, I think it's a good time to buy, because of course it might go down more, down to 75% or 80%, but if the 65% is now good enough for you, well, I mean, I think it's safe to go in. Maybe if you have some money, maybe not all in, but if you know, at least a little bit of your money should go in now. That's what I do anyway, but this is only my opinion. I think it probably will go down, but what if not? You know what I mean? It's minus 65% already. Go back to the Bitcoin, and by the way, Ethereum price, as you can see, is £1,304. But let's go back to the Bitcoin now and check the 1 year Bitcoin price. Yeah, 1 year, past 3 years, oh god. 1 year price, 66% down now. I mean, I really believe it's low enough to just start to buying it, because once again it might go down, but when you're going to start to buying it, when it's going to go down to what, minus 90, minus 80, what if not going to go till to minus 80, and it start to going up from now on, and then you didn't bought it for 17,500 because it's only 90, it's only less, minus 65% from the previously high, but then so you're not gonna buy for 17,500. You're gonna wait till it's gonna go down to I don't know, 15,000, 14,000. But you know, it's gambling. It might go, might go not. And then it's gonna go up to 25,000 because Bitcoin can do this within a couple days. So it's gonna go up to 25,000, and you're gonna think, oh god, I didn't bought it for 17,500, so now there is no way on earth I'm gonna buy this for 25,000. I'm waiting till it's gonna go 17,525 like was on Friday 28th, and then you wait for that, but the Bitcoin's going up to 30,000, and you're thinking then again, alright, I'm not gonna buy for 30,000 because I didn't bought it for 17,500, so, and then I didn't bought it for 25,000, there's no way on earth I'm gonna buy for 30,000, I'm waiting it's going to go down to 25, and more and more and more, you know what I mean? And then you're gonna decide, well, it's already too late for me to buy a Bitcoin, because it's too expensive. I had a chance to buy on this when it was on minus 65, but I was greedy, because that's how we need to name this. I was greedy, so I was waiting, and then now it's 30,000 for one Bitcoin, and it's already too late for me, because it's probably going to start to going down in a minute, and then from 30,000 it's going to jump to 90,000 or 80,000, and then here we go. So you're going to say, wait, it's too late for me, so I'm going to go to the Cardano or Binance, and then when the shitcoins start to going up, when the people will realize, oh, we're already too late, we are too late with Bitcoin because it went up too much. We are already too late for Ethereum because I had a chance to buy when it was minus 64%, minus 65%, but I didn't bought it because I heard that it might go down to below £1,000 or 800 like it was, because it was, wasn't it? Yeah, 800 in June this year. Yeah, so I'm wait. It's gonna go when it's gonna go down to the £860 like it did in the June, and then of course you wait, and it's never happened. and then what? It might go up to £2,000, and then of course you're gonna say, oh no, I'm not gonna buy for 2,000. Same as with the Bitcoin, I'm gonna buy when it's gonna go down to £1,305, which might never happen. Okay, and then when you realize, you're gonna say, right, it's already too late. I'm not gonna buy Ethereum for 2,500 because obviously I don't have that money. It's already too expensive, so I'm gonna buy Solana. Okay, and then that's when the shit coins like Solana and other ones start to going up, when the people are thinking, right, it's already too late with the Ethereum and Bitcoin, so we start to buy Solana because it's still cheap. Okay, and that's one of the reasons. I'm sorry guys, I know it took a little bit longer than usual, and again, this is only my opinion. This is something I just do myself. And that could be totally wrong, so don't get me, no, don't follow me. I'm just, I'm just the guy who's talking to microphone because has nothing else to do. So and I think that's when the Bitcoin and Ethereum start to going up first. Okay, because we know the Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most stable, so they always people have the most faith in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is number one, then Ethereum, I guess, maybe Binance, because everyone, like a MasterCard or even I heard like Royal Mail or Microsoft, everyone investing in Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is the most stable Ethereum, so they started going up first, and then people are greedy, of course, and gonna think, okay, I'll wait till it go down, and it will not go down, and then they decide it went too high already, and then they're gonna start to buy the shit coins. So the Bitcoin and Ethereum always go first up, so that's why I'm all in Bitcoin and Ethereum at most now, and I'm just waiting for them to go up, and once they go up, I might switch to the shit coins. Because then, of course, the shitcoins going up much more quicker and higher than Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they gonna go first. Usually they should. Usually they are. So they both gonna go up first. So we follow them first, and then once they already did double or something. I don't know. We need to do the research first, and then how do they behavior the last time. So you need to check the Bitcoin. How was the Bitcoin in 2021 or when it's acting before 2019? Yeah, so when it start to going up, and then you need to compare this to the shit coins. Okay, how do they go up and when? You see, and then you can figure out when is a good time to switch from Bitcoin and Ethereum to the shitcoins. Well, it's it's when a bit different direction to than when it should. But I just believe myself, it's quite interesting now. It's quite important now to just start to interested with Bitcoin and Ethereum and the shitcoins. I wouldn't go into shitcoins yet, but it's good time to start to thinking if and when you would like to go into the Bitcoin. I said it's minus 66%. If you want to wait till it's gonna go minus 80, if it's gonna go minus 80, it's up to you. You can wait. Me personally, I'm not. I didn't go all in. So I still got some money to buy more in case if it's gonna go down. Okay, so if it's gonna go down, I'm going to be more happy because it did go down. But in another hand, if it's gonna go up, then again I'm gonna be happy because my Bitcoin, the one I have, went up as well. Right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for having me. I hope you're going to have a good day. I'm sorry for it took a little bit longer than usual. I'm gonna pop it in. I'm gonna put probably a few other movies I did recently about gold and how to save the money in our this crisis coming in is just around the corner. So all of the best. Thank you, and subscribe if you don't yet. And then thank you for having me today. See you later, guys. Bye.